Hey guys, this is Chris from TechBeard again with another video today. Very excited, the kind people over at Fifine sent over a microphone for me to test out. This is their T683 version. It is just a USB plug-and-play microphone, but they wanted me to take a look at it and review for you guys. So we'll do a quick unboxing as per normal, and then from there we'll do some sound tests with that. We'll actually compare it with the Elgato Wave 3 that I also have, just so you can hear the differences between the two. They're a little bit different in terms of price point, but we'll go over the specs on both of those and compare them at the end, and then kind of final thoughts after that. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, this is a sound test for the Fifine T683. This is at about half volume. This is a cardioid mic, so it should be pretty good with just picking up my voice without any background noises. And yeah, we will also compare this to the Elgato Wave 3 just to see how that compares. So this is me typing on the keyboard while being silent. Alright guys, so this is a test using the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Again, this is also a cardioid microphone, so it should be good about just picking up my voice rather than all other outside sounds. And I have the mic volume set to around 50%, just like I did with the T683. Next, I will be silent while I type on my keyboard in the background, just so you can see how that sounds. This is a little bit different since this microphone is a little bit closer to my desk rather than the other one, because it was on the mic arm. All right, so let me know what you guys think down below at this point. Which one sounds best to you? All right, guys, so that'll about wrap it up for today's video. Again, huge shout out to Fifine for sending this microphone out for me to take a look at. I'm extremely impressed with the package they have here, including a mic arm and the shock mount and the pop filter, all in one package for around $80. Absolute awesome for the price. If you do compare it to the Elgato, I know we did a sound test on that. I think both are very comparable. So the Elgato Wave 3 is around $150, and that's just for the microphone itself. That's not with any accessories or anything like that. So the pop filter and the shock mount will be separate, so you do have to purchase those separately along with that. So it does get quite expensive, up to around $200 roughly if you're looking at purchasing the whole bundle, whereas this, everything included, is about $80. So definitely a huge plus for Fifine in this case. So I'll leave a link down below, so it will be an Amazon affiliate link if you guys want to check that out and maybe pick this up for yourself. Or they also offer a wide range of other microphones and accessories, so if you guys want to take a look at that, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. So let me know what you guys think down below. Maybe think about giving me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, or subscribe for more tech content on the way. But again, this is Chris from TechBeard. Hope you guys have a good one.